And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
All right, folks, we've made it to Thursday, so we are getting so close to the weekend. We can all feel it. We're calling it Friday Eve here. So let's get right into the forecast. Looks like strong winds are going to continue. It's not going to be breezy today. It's going to be windy, and that windiness will settle in this afternoon. I'll show you exactly how windy it will be in a minute. We're also going to be on the dry side today, but mainly dry, so we could see an isolated shower on Friday, and then get ready. A very hot weekend is ahead. So let's look at your early morning temperatures. It's not too bad out there. We're at 67 degrees in La Gloria as well as Run. Good morning to you in Bayview. You're checking in at 70 and at 63 degrees in La Sara. The reason why it doesn't feel all that bad is because the dew point values are sitting in the mid 60s. So it still feels pretty mild out there instead of chilly. So I don't think you need a jacket. Looking at the winds, they are relatively light out of the southeast, but watch this future track model. We put the clock in motion starting at 6 and we go to about noon. That's when we start to see green and even yellow pop up here on the map. So 15 to 20, even 25 mile per hour wind speeds can be expected for most of the afternoon. We'll even start to see some tinges of yellow or orange here on the map, but the entire valley looks to be in that yellowish green category. So all these strong winds are going to last all day long. Wind gusts could get up near 30 miles per hour at times. Now looking at early Friday morning, it's still rather breezy, so plan on it remaining breezy overnight and then picking up again tomorrow. Now looking at your day planner forecast, we have a few clouds mixing in there, but other than that, mainly sunny skies. Temperatures will warm up from 68 to 82 by noon, and will still be in the mid 80s for your drive time home. Looking at the setup across Texas, we have high pressure over the Gulf, so that will allow us to have our flow out of the southeast here at the surface. That's going to continue to keep our humidity relatively high, feeling muggy each afternoon, and it's also going to build up a little bit more moisture over the next couple of days. This particular front, well to our north, is going to stay there, but here comes a front that won't really direct us, or it won't impact us directly, but it is going to bring some changes. European model, we put the clock in motion starting at 6 this morning. The front starts to slide into Texas. Now it's still going to be windy and dry ahead of this front, but look at this, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. There's going to be some showers and even some severe thunderstorm activity to the north and east of us. Back here at home, it looks relatively quiet, but if a thunderstorm or a shower starts to develop at the tail end of this front, that's where we could start to see maybe folks, an isolated shower. At most, we're looking at a rain chance at 10% or less. So we are calling it mainly dry at this point, but if something does eventually sneak down in here, I can't rule out maybe an isolated shower. Looking at the coastal forecast for today, we do have a small craft advisory that will begin at 11 o'clock this morning for the Bay waters, and it'll last until 7 o'clock tonight because of those gusty winds making it very rough out there. But if you want the cool weather, that'll be at the island. 80 degrees today to 83 in Brownsville, 86 when you get into Harlingen, Weslaco, and Raymondville. A little bit warmer. Rio Grande City and McAllen will be sitting at 89 and 87 today in Edinburgh. Overnight, we'll have clear skies, low temperatures near 69. We're back to the upper 80s tomorrow. We're starting the weekend. Check that out, near 94 degrees. Wow, what a hot one, right? 92 to finish it up, and we'll be breezy there on Sunday. We'll stay in the low 90s all the way through the middle of next week with a shower possible. Rain chances are low, near 10%. Overnight lows stay mild in the mid to upper 60s and low 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.